Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add motion blur in CapCut. So here you just need to start by adding a video which consists of a compilation of clips or maybe photos like I did here. So I've already import one. Then you just need to click on the video and then swipe the menu at the bottom until you find the motion blur. So here you can adjust the blur and also the blend. I'm going to go with the blur, I'm going to go with 60, and the blend I'm going to go with 40. Okay, and here you can choose the direction. I'm going to use both, and the times I'm going to choose maybe 6 times like this, and you can just click on the check icon and just wait until CapCut applying the motion blur to your clips. Okay, so now the motion blur has been applied and here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.